Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Or you're just coming here for my Nintendo Switch Lite battery replacement kit video. Okay, guys. Yeah, my battery is trash. So, yeah. Anyway, you guys enjoy. So, yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to replace an Nintendo Switch 1 Lite battery. You can see I like YouTube a lot, and this Switch is just... I don't know. It stays at 1% for like 5 minutes or plus that, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery. I got the kit here, how to do it. And plus, I want to go make a fun video while I do this anyway. So, there's all the good stuff in there. Alright, here's the battery, guys. Brand new, it's supposed to be 600 thousand or what the heck milliamps. And like, it's bigger than the battery that's right there. So, well, let's get to it. Okay, guys, the first thing that you have to do, well, turn off your switch. This is for like, if you accidentally F up something, like, just do it anyway, okay? Next. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell ya. Do this at your own risks. If you somehow puncture that battery and you catch half your house on fire, and your switch is gonna be gone. Anyway, do this at your own risks. Bye. Next thing is, take it apart. Now, if you own a Switch Lite or a Nintendo Switch in general, you would have took it apart, or not. Or you're watching this video because, like, yeah, this kit, I'll put it in the description, this kit. This is everything I need. I talked to Jim and I a lot about this. First time replacing a Nintendo Switch battery. So, yeah. I umped up the side there to be Phillips, not the tri-wing stuff. So just for you guys' note, you'll be using the tri-wing, so this thing. You'll be using that. Get onto it. You put your finger there and you turn. That's quite easy. Screws. There we go. Put in one pile. If you have like a little bin or anything, in fact, put it in there. And by the way, I took out the heat shield because like it looks like shit. It's my Switch. So do it at your own risks. You take out the 4 back tri-wing screws, supposed to be. And then there's screws there, 2 screws at the bottom. Go skip half this video if you know how to do that. By the way, the 2 top and bottom screws are going to be Phillips, and they are smaller than the back 4 ones. So keep that in mind the first time you're doing this. Oh man, brings me back good old memories. Every time I open up the Switch, I do this every freaking time. It's so normal to do this. If there's anything that I miss, just comment down below. Okay, now for this, you can go grab something for like your bread. Those big plastic clips from your bread, like you get it new and stuff. just gently go around there and then it should pop up. And then with an actual switch, not that modified, you just go, you're going to take off a whole metal back plate and have Phillips screws all around it. So when you're done doing that, you get to here. Now stumble paste, pretty good for a back plate, so maybe replace it if you want to, but if you don't really care, then don't replace it. I don't know. Don't want to waste your money here. Now, next thing to do, deeper stuff here. Pliers would be nice, but yeah. Now each one of these ribbon wires has a little plastic piece right there, and you can flip these plastic pieces down like that, and up like that. You pull it out, easy like that. Now there's the battery. Here's a bada Whoopsies. That's on out. Be careful because you should. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this back in. Just for the heck of it. Okay, now let's work with this battery. Now Nintendo grew the living shit of this thing in there. Oh, just bending the thing. So, give me a moment, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is gonna take a lot longer than I think. Okay, guys, I'm back. Do you know how hard it is to get alcohol? I was afraid it was gonna like melt the cup like gasoline, so I double cupped it. Anyway, this should do. But you see that? I'm just gonna go right to the line. Look, it just barely fits in there too. Look at that. Okay. Take it from the cup. Oh yeah. Oh, it's still sucking. It's still sucking. Okay. Wow, that took so long to go to that damn little thing. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna gently fill this up a little bit. Oh, a little too fast. Blame Nintendo for this. Just faint out. Now, you don't really have to get this, or you want to go pry the living shit out of it. I don't know. I'd choose this. Isn't alcohol like gas? Well, what I think it's gonna do is eat right through the grill. And yeah. I'm gonna give it a moment here. Yeah, I'm gonna give it like 4 minutes. Ooh. 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 Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been like 2 minutes. I don't know, I can't wait. Anyway. Let's start playing. You should really wear glasses because it's spoiling at you and stuff. Let's see. Oh, I think it's moving. Oh, this Plaxit so sucks. Oh.
Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Garbage. Well, that just broke. This is what you get for using Plaxit. Darn it. Damn it. Guys, all you have to do is get that in there and just put it on, just hold it. Just hold it. You hear it just kind of bubbling a little bit or something. It's like if the battery's getting hot, you gotta run because it's gonna explode or some dumb shit. Never ever use like any sharp objects around battery. You punch this hole, goodbye you. And your switch. Just hold it like that. And then you move a little bit closer. I'm pretty much playing constants. I just want to Oh, she coming. Oh. Oh, yeah. You gotta be pretty buff, you know, to do this. Look at that glue. That is insane. Oh my gosh. See the alcohol? It is like the store that glue. Oh my gosh. And that's why I bought the nail things. Oh, wow. Goodbye, old one. You can see it's 300 some milliwatts. You see this one? Guys, I washed my hands. I'm gonna put the battery somewhere away from the garbage can for if it does somehow explode from overheating or some dumb shit. I ain't gonna have a trash can for it. And you should not throw it in the trash can. You should find a spot. This is the tool to use. Don't use this piece of damn garbage. It broke in like 4 pieces. Okay. Now let's glue garbage. Oh, look what the alcohol does. It just peels off. And thank you, Hema, for giving me the alcohol, since his family don't have any. Look at this. Nice. Oh yeah. And just so you know, guys, it's a solid box, so don't worry if like alcohol's gonna get everywhere else. It's just literally a solid box. A poor accident. Go take one of your clean shirts. Yeah, this'll work just fine. So long, gay Bowser. Okay, guys, give me a moment. Yeah, let's fill up the whole thing, because... Oh! Okay, there we go. I want to fill up the case here. Very good stuff. You guys don't have to do this, but... Yeah, I want to get that stuff out. And again, you want to clean new surface for your brand new battery, obviously. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, I was wondering where'd all my alcohol's going I was put in there. Did it evaporate? Nope. There's a hole right through it. And don't worry, guys. If you're worried about you accidentally spilling some of it, again, it'll evaporate before you turn it on. Just make sure you evaporate it. And teach others. Okay, guys, don't just mind that the alcohol ain't that way. It eats the glue. His glue didn't ate it. Just imagine you took a big bite of glue. No, that doesn't have any glue stuff on it. So Womp. Womp womp. Okay. Let's actually look past this picture here. Absolutely nothing. So great. Absolutely freaking great. Okay. Now what came with it is these things right here. There's the glue stick, strip, stick, strip. Oh, look at my stick strips. Can I rip this in half? Oh. Oh. I don't think that's supposed to happen. What am I doing with my life right now? I might have fucked this up. Anyway, you guys, just do something like that. Make an X. Make an X. They put it down there too hard anyway. Okay. Disappointment's not an answer right now. I was using some good old caulk. That'll work. Shit, what do I know? Plop. Okay, guys, what you saw was not recommended there. But, again, it's up to your choice. plug this switch in. Like that. Pop that down. And what do we do? What you just did in reverse. Now, this is going to take some time to harden. So, yeah. You guys should know what to do. But I'll show you anyway in a time lapse. Ugh, this damn stand. Okay, guys. Now, some people may have a hard time getting these buttons in there. Now, when you actually get those buttons actually stuck in there pretty decently, now all you gotta do is don't hit the back first. Always hit the front first. Now get that deep in there, like a damn deep dish. I don't know why they call them deep. I don't know. Okay, just get the front on, the buttons line up, and then you get the your volume thing and make sure that's what okay, time to fast. You got it. Wow. Okay, guys. Yeah. I feel like my filter tag here is pretty old. Anyway, I broke the thing right off. This is not right for me. I don't know if you're actually old. It don't snap. But the thing about that is, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the Okay, guys. Let's give it a test. Yes! Let's go! Let's effing go! It was at 20, now it's at 76. That's a good way to charge up your Switch very fast. Anyway. Yeah. Console battery, this, that. That stuff doesn't even matter. Just make sure it's for Nintendo Switch Lite. Or Nintendo Switch and this and that and blah, blah. There you go. That's how you install a Nintendo Switch Lite battery. I don't recommend it if you don't know what you. It's a pain in the ass. I swear it's that one thing in front of everything. This battery is as hard as replacing the front and the back end, which everything, the motherboard, enchilada, everything. That thing was scary to open up because this dumb thing snapped like 5 times. Oof. Bye. Absolute garbage. Anyway, yeah, put my whole force into it and hope it didn't explode. So, anyway, see ya.